All right, next practice problem. Draw the reflection over the x-axis. So x-axis is here. That means I'm moving up and down to go over this line. So I'm up here in quadrants 1 and 2. My final image should be down here in quadrants 3 and 4. So it's going to be down here. I'm just going to count how far each point is. So D is 1 space away. D prime is here. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B prime is here. C is 2. C prime. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A prime. Connect the points in order, so A goes to B. Oh, they didn't go in order. And then B goes to D. D goes to C. And C goes to A. So my lines aren't straight, but yours will be. Now we need all the ordered pairs. You don't need to try to get yours on the line. Hopefully you didn't try too hard. If you type them somewhere else, that's fine. But point A is here at -1, 5. B is at 4, 6. C is at -4, 2. And D is at 2, 1. I'm reflecting over X. That means my Y's will be the opposite. All my X's will be the same. So 5 becomes -5. 4 stays the same. 6 becomes -6. -4 stays the same. 2 becomes -2. 2 stays the same. 1 becomes -1. Make sure that's right. -1, -5. Yes. So these are your ordered pairs, and this is your reflection.